Hi, my name is Heather Sutherland. I'm the Gifted and Talented Coordinator here at Oak Kentucky Home Middle School, and I'd like to welcome you to our 2018 parent meeting. This is just to provide you some information about the Gifted and Talented program here at OKH and what services that we provide. The first information I'd like to give to you is about identification and eligibility. Who can nominate a student? Parents, teachers can nominate any student they feel should be considered for Gifted and Talented services for the year. Once a parent or a teacher has nominated a student, we have some supporting evidence that needs to be provided, and we'll be speaking more about that in just a moment. This really deals with the elementary level. I'm sure most of your kids were in the primary talent pool when they were in elementary school. Once a student has been nominated and evidence is collected, we have a selection committee that's made up of myself, teachers, and the guidance counselors, and we look at the supporting evidence that's been provided and make a determination for services at that time. Once we have determined whether or not a student has been placed in Gifted and Talented or not, a parent will receive notification concerning the selection committee's decision. Students who have been identified as Gifted and Talented will receive a what is called a GSP, and that stands for Gifted Services Plan Development, and that plan is developed with a committee again of teachers, myself, and the guidance counselor. Twice a year you will receive a progress report. Those come out in December and then again in May, and that just gives you an update as to the types of things that your child has been doing with the Gifted Services program and their progress in their identified areas. Areas of identification. These areas that you see here to the left, general intellectual ability, specific academic aptitude, and creativity or divergent thinking, these are identified through testing like our MAP testing and K-PREP. Leadership, Gifted and Talented, is identified through documentation such as a resume, letters of reference. Visual performing arts, those are also identified through portfolios, auditions, resumes, or selection for or superior ratings of high-stakes performances. The next question, can gifted students be exceptional in multiple areas? Yes, students could be identified in performing arts and specific academic areas. So yes, a student could be identified in more than one gifted, talented area. This is an example of what a GSSP or a Gifted Student Service Plan will look like. Here at the top you'll see strategies for differentiated content, process, and products. So you'll see here boxes checked. The delivery options, this is going to tell you what type of services that your child is receiving in the school. If you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, or celebrations, feel free to contact me. My name again is Heather Sutherland. My email here is at the bottom of the screen, as well as the phone number here to OKH, and I look forward to working with you and your child this school year.